Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. Welcome to my channel Maths with Umar. So, in the last class, we have seen pair of linear equations. No, linear equations in two variables, right? So, what are linear? Linear means with degree 1. The power of the variable, the highest power of the variable should be 1. The degree power of the variable should be 1. And equation means what? So it should have the expression, the mathematical expression, algebraic expression should have equal to sign in the expression. Okay, then it will be called as an equation with two variables. So examples, we have studied examples of linear equation in two variables are 2x plus 3 is equal to 5y plus 2. Okay, or you can call it you can call it as 5n plus 3n minus 10 is equal to 0. This is also a linear equation, example of linear equation in two variables. And let us see one more example. So it can be 5p plus 6m and is equal to 15. Okay, you have two variables and the power of the variable is 1. So these are the examples of pair of linear equation in two variables. Students, you can write a pair of linear equations in any way. The only thing is it should contain it should contain equal to sign, and it should have two variables, and the power of the variable should be 1. This should be the condition. Okay, so now you can write anyway, but mathematics teaches you discipline, right? In every corner of your life and in everything whatever you do, it teaches you discipline. So what is the standard form of, there should be a standard form to write a linear equation in two variables, is it right? So let us see the concept of this video is standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, what is the standard form in linear equation in two variables? It is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So let me try to understand this. So this is equal to sign. You have three terms on left hand side. So we call it as left hand side LHS. And here you have this is right hand side. Try to understand what I'm telling. So the standard form of linear equation in two variable consists of LHS and RHS, where all the terms are written on left hand side, and on right hand side you have 0. So this is the standard form. So this is also a linear equation in two variable, this is also a linear equation in two variable, and this one is also linear equation in two variable. But what is the standard form? All the three terms, understood, should be in left hand side, and right hand side it should be 0. This is the first condition. And next condition, you may say, sir, we don't have two variables, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variables, right? So it is not actually. We consider only x and y as the variables. So what about a, b and c? We consider them as constants. Understood, my dear students? So we consider them as constant. So therefore, x is a variable, y is a variable, two variables, and a, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Understood? A is not. What does this mean? Beta, if it becomes 0, what happens? 0 into x? 0x. So that means 0. So this value becomes 0. If once it becomes 0, only by plus c is left out. So then it will be called as linear equation in one variable, because you have only y. So therefore, in this case also, if I take b is equal to 0, so then this term will become by will become 0. So we have, that is the reason we state that a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. And c is constant term. C is constant. Do you understand, my dear student? So that means all the equations which we wrote before, we will write it as 2x, and 5y, when I transpose it, it becomes minus 5y, and 3 plus 2. So plus 2, when you transpose, it will be 3 minus 2, that means 1 is equal to 0. So let me write this. See, you can see this, all the three terms are left hand side, and right hand side it is 0. So therefore it is already is in standard form. Okay, with the different variables m and n. But to study, whenever we are studying, we follow some variables, okay, so that students don't doesn't get confused. So therefore, in this chapter, whenever we use a pair of linear equations and two variables, we are going to use only x and y. Understood? So therefore, you can write it as, for example, 5x plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. Understood, my dear students? Now it is in the same way. Suppose, for example, so instead of p and m, let us take x and y. So it will be written as 5x plus 6y, and 15 you have on right hand side. If I transpose, it becomes minus 15 is equal to, and when I transpose this, it becomes minus 15 plus 15, the becomes minus 15. So what is left out here? It is 0. So this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Now you write the notes. Until you write maths notes with your hand, you will not understand. So please, my dear students, please copy the notes and do it by yourself. So I hope everybody understood this uh, pair of linear equations in two variables. Is it right, my dear student? So with this, let us complete this video, and if you understand, that's well and good. uh, if you have any doubts left out in this concept, whatever I have explained in this video, please don't hesitate. You already know, you already have my number. My channel's members have, subscribers have my number, so you can contact on it. For the new subscribers, I write here, my number is 05212479969. And if anybody is watching from outside UAE, it is plus 971. Okay, so no need to write 0. So this is my phone number. You can message me, WhatsApp me. I will reply, and I will if there is it is a word problem, I'll explain you, explain you, and take the video and upload here itself in YouTube. Understood? So please write the notes and wait for the next video. So in the next video, we are going to uh, express all the pair of linear equations in pair of linear equation in two variables as standard form. Okay, I hope you understand. And if you like this video, press the like button, share and subscribe to share to your friends so that they also get benefited. Assalamu alaikum, take care, bye bye.